Carbon fiber alloys. What are the alloys? So here the carbon fiber alloys is known as the hybrid composite. What is composite? That we will discuss later. Okay. For now, you can understand if two materials are combined together, okay, with a different proportion, you can think about the. It is also similar to that of the alloy, but the alloy is having a very different nature as compared to the composite. Okay, that we will discuss it later on in the coming slides. Okay, so carbon fiber can be combined with metals or polymers to form a hybrid materials with enhanced properties. The most common combinations include, so wherever the terms comes alloys, hybrid, composites, they all are just a need of human being to improve the property of material. Okay, so we are just doing these all experiment for the reason to have a more or for a better properties of can that particular material. Okay,